Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing two QiYi puzzles. But if you close your eyes. So before we begin this unboxing, I'd like to mention how I got these puzzles. This 4x4 was given to me by Eamon Kohli, who won 3x3 with feet at VJTI Mumbai Cube Open 2019. Not only that, he also set a 3x3 with feet world record single of 15.56 seconds. So huge congratulations to him and thank you to him for giving me this puzzle. As for this QiYi Wuhua 6x6, it was given to me by Nikhil Suarez, who podiumed in various events. I don't remember which event he got this puzzle from. However, huge thank you to Nikhil as well for giving me the 6x6. It'll be great for me to learn on. Anyways, now that we have the 6x6 with us, let's just start with it. This was the old QiYi packaging before cube boxes started becoming like crazy fancy. This is, I think, how to solve a 6x6. This will be pretty helpful, I guess. And let's just go ahead and open this puzzle up. It is slightly greasy from the outside. First turns. Out of the box, it is quite sluggish compared to the Shadow M. I've tried multiple people's Shadow M's and oh shoot, this 6x6 lockups already. No way. Yep, fixed pretty easily. I don't think this will be a viable main for competitions anymore. However, this will be pretty good for me to learn on, as I don't know how to solve a 6x6 and I really do need to learn. Out of the box though, this is quite sluggish. I'm not sure if this is a V1 or a V2. Let me just go ahead and take a look at the box. It doesn't say V2 on here, so therefore I'm assuming that this puzzle is a V1. But anyways, it's not too bad as a 6x6, but 6x6 hardware isn't the best on the market right now, and I'll probably be getting the MG6 6x6 once I learn how to solve it and become pretty good at it. Overall, like I said, this is a pretty decent puzzle, but it's just a bit too sluggish for me. So for my first impressions, I'd give this cube a 6.5 out of 10. Now let's get straight on to the QiYi Mini Wuchuei M4x4. It's in white plastic. I mean, I'm not the biggest fan of white puzzles, but I'm not complaining as this was free. How to solve a 4x4, which I already know. And anything underneath this, let me just take a look. Nope, doesn't seem to be. Let's just move this off to the side and open this puzzle up. At last, let's do some first turns. Oh wow, this is actually quite a lot better than the 6x6. This feels a little bit smaller than my main 4x4, the Aosu GTS2M. And this one is actually quite fast out of the box. As it's white plastic, I don't think I'll be maining this, but this will be a great backup main considering it turns pretty nicely. And I can get pretty good TPS with this. Let's try the parity arm. Yes, this puzzle flows quite nicely overall. Let me just check the magnet strength. Yeah, outer layers are very weak. You can barely notice them. And inner layers are fine, just the right strength, I'd say. In my opinion, the Aosu GTS2M's inner magnets are a bit too strong, but the outer magnets are perfect. And here the inner magnets are perfect and the outers are a bit too weak. So yeah, overall this is a pretty great 4x4 so far. This seems a little bit smaller than my Aosu GTS2M. Let me just go ahead and grab it for a size comparison. So here's my fully set up Aosu GTS2M, which turns amazing and stuff. Comparing the sizes, this one seems to be about 60 millimeters and this one is 61, I'm pretty sure. So not that big of a difference, but I can feel it while turning these puzzles. Also, the Aosu is quite a lot faster than the Mini Wuchuei M, and that's what I've heard from a lot of people. All Wuchueis are slow out of the box and Aosu GTS2s are quite fast. But overall, I'm pretty sure after a little bit of DNM, this puzzle will be good to go. So for my first impressions, I'd give this cube an 8 out of 10. So that's about it for this quick QiYi unboxing. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed and bye.